Hello students, today I am going to explain you Gaussian elimination method for two system of equation. Let you have an equation 3x minus 2y equals to 7 and 2x plus 4y equals to 10. First we have to convert it into the matrices form, that is let's suppose it is a11, a12, a21 and a22. Student, why I am writing here this matrix? Because you must need what is the basic step to convert or to find out the value of x and y by using Gaussian elimination method. What is the first step? Step 1. The element of a11 should be 1. It means convert a11 element into 1. This should be 1. What is the step 2? This element, the below than a11, that is a21. Convert a21 into 0. Means it should be equals to 0. Then a22. We have step 3. Convert a22 into 1. 1 0 1. It means the main diagonal should be 1 and the element below than the main diagonal, it is 0. So first we convert this element into 1. Now we convert the equation into the matrix form in such a way that the column 1 should be represent the coefficient of x and column 2 should be represent the coefficient of y, while the constant is same, 3, 2, minus 2 and 4. How do we get this 3 into 1? It means 1 upon 3 R1. I will show you the rough work here. The first element is 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals to 1. Minus 2 upon 3 equals to minus 2 upon 3. 7 upon 3 is 7 upon 3. There is no changing. So for R1, we need the change in R1. So it is 1 minus 2 upon 3 equals to 7 upon 3. And R2 remains same. There is no change in R2. Okay students, we need to convert this into 0. How do we convert into 0? Okay, it means we need the change in R2. How do we change it? R2 minus. If this number multiply by 2 and subtract from R2, 2 minus like this. 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So 2 into R1. I have written here 1 and it is converted into 0. Minus 2 upon 3 same. It cannot be changed. 7 upon 3 same. And that is 10. Okay. Okay, it means 4 minus sign and minus 2 upon 3 multiply by 2. 4 plus 4 upon 3. 12 plus 4 upon 3, it is equals to 16 upon 3. So we write here 16 upon 3. So I will show you the rough work for this one. It is, I will do it here, somewhere here. Okay, 10 minus 7 upon 3 multiply by 2. It is 10 minus 14 upon 3. That is 30 minus 14 upon 3. It is equals to 16 upon 3. So we get R2 is 0, then 16 upon 3, and then again 16 upon 3. Now we need this diagonal, last element of the diagonal need 1. It is 16 upon 3. Multiply with the reciprocal means 3 upon 16. We get 1. So what we have to write here? To change in R2, 3 upon 16 multiply with R2. So we have 1, 0, minus 2 upon 3 same, 7 upon 3 same. 16 upon 3 we get 1. It is also 16 upon 3, we also get it 1. So from this matrix we say that it is the coefficient of basically y. So we can say that y equals to 1, and this is the coefficient of x. So 1x minus 2 upon 3 y equal to 7 upon 3. Put the value of y equals to 1. X minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 7 upon 3. I will solve it here. X equals to 7 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. So it will become 9 upon 3, or x equals to 3. Students, now I will show you the complete steps of the solution. The rougher is also written over here, so it's good for you. I tried to explain that you will get each and every step. If you have any queries, you can ask me. I will definitely help you. Today I am going to explain you Gaussian elimination method for the three system of equations. Students, before the solution, I will tell you what are the few easy steps to solve Gaussian elimination method. The first step is to convert the element of first row and first column, means A11 into 1. This one. Then both the elements below then A11, that is A21 and A31, should be converted into 0. The third step is to convert A22 into 1. Then the element below than A22, that is represented by A32, should be converted into 0. And the last element, that is A33, should be converted into 1. What does it mean? It means the main diagonal should be equals to 1. And all the elements below than main diagonal should be equal to 0. Okay ji. This is our question, and we apply the Gaussian elimination method. The first step to convert the equation into the matrices form in such a way that column 1 represent the coefficient of x, column 2 represent the coefficient of y, and column 3 represent the coefficient of z, like this. Okay, now first step. The first element is already 1. So we cannot change R1. Now R2 and R3 is 1, 1. If R2, to change R2 or convert it into 0, R2 minus R1, and R3, to change R3 or convert it into 0, that is R3 minus R1. Now I will show you here rough work. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. This is converted into 0. Minus 4 plus and then minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 equals to minus 5. Then 1 minus 1. Again it is equals to 0. 35 minus 5. 35 plus 5 equals to 40. It means 0, minus 5, 0 and 40 are the elements for R2. So I will write here 0, minus 5, 0 and 40. Now we need the changing in R3. 1 minus 1. I will show here. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. This 4 minus 1 equals to 3. Minus 18. Then minus sign and then minus 5. Minus 18 and plus 5. It is equals to minus 13. So 0, 2, 3 and minus 13. Now we converted these two elements into 0. Now our target to convert this into 1. This is minus 5. If minus 5 multiply with minus 1 upon 5, it is converted into 1. It means R2 divided by minus 5 or multiply with minus 1 upon 5. 0 multiply with minus 1 upon 5, 0. This is 0. It is already, I have shown, it is converted into 1. And 40 divided by minus 5. It is equals to 8. Now we have got this type of matrices. Now what we have to do? Convert this one into 0. How do we get this into 0? Students, we need the changing in R3. It means R3 minus, if we multiply this by 2, 2 multiplied by 1 and subtract from R3. It means 2 minus 2 multiplied by 1, 2 minus 2 equals to 0. In place of this one, 0. 3 minus 2 multiplied by 0, it is remain same, that is 3. Minus 13 minus 8 multiplied by 2 minus 13 and it will become plus 16. We get positive 3. So we write here like this one. Okay, if you focus here 1 0 0 1 0, converted this into 1. R3 divided by 3. R3 1 upon 3 R3. So if we divide this one, 3 upon 3, both are equals to 1. This is the coefficient of z, means 1z equals to 1 or z equals to 1. So z equals to 1. Now focus over this equation. Y plus 0z equals to minus 8. Students, from this matrix z equals to 1, y plus 0z equals to minus 8. It means y equals to minus 8. We got the value of z and minus 8. What we need? We have to calculate the value of x. X plus y plus z means 1x plus 1y plus 1z equals to minus 5. So x remains same, plus minus 8 plus the value of z is 1 and minus 5. X minus 8 plus 1 equals to minus 5. Then x equals to, move here, then minus 5, minus 1 and plus 8. Then it means x equals to 2. So what is the result? X equals to 2, y equals to minus 8 and z equals to 1. Okay students, I hope you have got the solution and you don't have any difficulty now. Still, if you have any queries, then you can ask me. I will show you the solution at the end. This is a complete review of the solution. These are the rough works as well. Okay, I will show you the rough work. So if you have any difficulty, you can easily understand the problems. Okay, then these are the steps. Then these are the values. We calculated it by like this. And this is the result. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.